morning, 6th class. Today we are dealing with chapter 7 and name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. Then our topics we have total 6 and today we are dealing topic 7.1 and 7.2. So today our topic is 7.1 herbs, shrubs and trees. Then now we are starting with an introduction. Just in this introduction part, what you have here is a beautiful figure. This figure is taken from your NCERT textbooks, figure 7.1, and what is the name written there? A nature walk. Okay, how many students you are observing? Total they are 4. Okay, these two are boys and these two are girls, right? And the boy is holding the bigger plant, right? And this one is holding a middle plant, and these two girls are holding very little, okay, of smaller size plants, right? So this information and what else information you can gather from this figure, कि और आप क्या क्या गैदर कर सकते हैं, like here what you are observing, smaller plant, smaller one, right? Then all these are bigger, right? Bigger trees. Then we are moving on next slide. Then about parts of plant. This figure you are already familiar in your first chapter, and we are just gathering our back memory, or we are collecting information from our back memory. What you are observing, what is this part called? Root, right? Very good. And this one is stem, very good. And here it is branches, very good. And this one is leaf, this is also leaf. What is this? This one is flower. Flower is here is also flower, here is also flower. These are fruits, right? So every information we have taken from this figure. रूट भी पता चल गया, स्टेम, ब्रांच, लीफ, फ्लावर, फ्रूट, सारा कुछ हमको पता चल गया. वेरी गुड. Then next we have these plants. Just next figure, figure 7.3 from your textbook again. Just observe these plants A, B and C, 3, 1. This one is known as herb, this one is shrub and this one is tree, right? These 3 figures, right? And they are different names. इनके ये नाम क्यों पड़े हैं और ये ऐसा क्यों दिखता है, right? ये सारे हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. Then our next section. Here next is herb. Okay, so the same figure, just what you are observing here, what is the color of a stem? Okay, stem color is green color, right? Very good. And then what other feature of a stem is present here? कैसा stem है? Tender means soft, right? तो stem का आपको 2 feature पता चल गया. It is soft and it is green in color, right? So if it is soft, it is green in color, then what category it belongs? Herb, right? Very good. Then they are usually short, and what is the height of the plant? Short, right? Stem is short, height of the plant is short, and they may not have many branches. Just look here, they don't have many branches, right? Then examples are grass, paddy, wheat, cabbage, coriander, etc., right? So now herb is clear to you. Next we have shrub. Second category of plant is shrub. So just what feature is written there? The plant have developed branches near the base of stem. Just look here, this one is stem, this one is stem, and all these branches, they are coming from stem and they are very nearer to ground, right? And the stem is hard but not very thick. Just look here, the thickness, मोटा ज़्यादा नहीं है but it is hard, right? Then the examples are lemon, tulsi, rose, henna. These are the examples. So second type is shrub. Third is tree. Tree, they are very tall. Okay, just look here, the height is very much tall, right? Stem is hard, they are thick also. And then branches in the upper part. Just look here, branches are not coming from here. If it is coming from this side and if a stem is not thick, then in which category it comes? Shrub. कि अगर ब्रांचेस यहाँ से निकल रहे होते नज़दीक से ग्राउंड से और ज़्यादा थिक नहीं होता तो वो किस कैटेगरी में आएगा? श्रब में. लेकिन ब्रांचेस ऊपर से निकल रहे हैं और इसका स्टेम भी थिक होता है तो ये किस कैटेगरी में आएगा? ट्रीज़ की कैटेगरी में. अंडरस्टूड? देन एग्जाम्पल्स आर मैंगो, नीम, कोकोनट, बैनियन, एक्सेट्रा. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव कैटेगरी ऑफ प्लांट्स. आपको क्या करना है? आपको इस टेबल को फिलअप करना है. हमारे पास इसके अंदर टोटल कितने कॉलम्स हैं? 5 कॉलम्स हैं. जस्ट लुक हियर, कॉलम नंबर 4 है, 3 है, 2 है, 1 है, और फर्स्ट कॉलम हमारा क्या है? प्लांट नेम है. हमारे पास यहाँ पे कितने प्लांट्स लिखे हुए हैं? टोमेटो, मैंगो, लेमन. एंड हाउ मेनी यू हैव टू फिल? 1, 2, 3. 3 और एग्जाम्पल्स आपको लिखने हैं फ्रॉम योर मेमोरी और फ्रॉम योर बुक और फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग, राइट? क्या लिखना है आपको? यू हैव टू फिल दिस कॉलम, राइट? लाइक टोमेटो, टोमेटो हाइट इज शॉर्ट. मैंगो, प्लांट्स आर वेरी टॉल. लेमन, about my height means middle height, right? Then next is about stem. Stem का feature आपको लिखना है. Tomato, green color, tender, right? Mango, they are thick and hard. And in case of lemon, they are not green, they are tender भी नहीं होते, and they are not thick as well as, but they are hard. Understood? Then next is where do the branches appear? Okay, कहाँ से branches आते हैं? मतलब जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया था श्रब के अंदर ग्राउंड से मतलब स्टेम के नज़दीक से ही आता है, मीन्स वेरी नियर टू ग्राउंड. और इन केस ऑफ ट्री मच अपर पार्ट, राइट? तो मैंगो में आप देखो हायर अप पार्ट, यस, राइट? Then column 4 is category of plant. So tomato belongs to herb, then mango belongs to tree, and shrub is for lemon, right? तो इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी के 3 एग्जाम्पल्स लिखने हैं of your choice. You can write the name of all the 3 tree or the different means 1 herb, 1 shrub or 1 tree of your choice, right? Next we have this Paheli, the famous character, right? Again the happy girl is here. What she is thinking, just we are reading here. Paheli wonders what kind of stem the money plant, beanstalk, gourd plants and grapevine have. Do observe some of these plants. How are these different from a herb, a shrub or a tree? Why do you think some of them need support to climb upward? Okay, she is wondering that all these plants, they are not coming in the category of, because their stem is not upright, right? So they are not coming in the category of herb, shrub and trees. So what is the other category they belong to? So this is the question coming in the mind of Paheli. So here is our solution. Number 4th is creepers. So just look here, creeper is there. What feature it is having? Weak stem. So if a stem is weak, in which category it is coming? It is coming in the category of herb, because shrub stem is hard, tree stem is hard, so it is coming in the category of herb. So plant with weak stem, okay, and that cannot stand upright but spread on ground are called creepers, right? They are spreading on ground. Just look here, कितने सारे आपको दिख रहे हैं, and all of them are present on the ground, right? So they are known as creepers. And examples are money plant, strawberry. And the next category we have climbers. Climbers, as the name indicates, climb means they are just want some support to climb up, to move up, right? So those that take support and climb up are called climbers, right? They are taking the support of this stake and they are climbing. So example is sweet gourd, bitter gourd, bottle ground, lauki, karela and petha. These are the examples, and some more examples are there. Then next we have a topic about stem, topic 2. Then note down different structures, parts borne by the stem, right? Here we have from here to here, all these are stem parts. Observe closely the stem of different plant around you, right? Stem, then what are the parts attached with the stem? Leaf is attached here, then branches are attached here, then these bud, flower bud is attached, flower is attached, fruit is also attached with the stem, okay? Next we have activity 2. What you have to perform? We would require a glass, water, just better to look this diagram. What is required? A glass is required, then water is required, some color we have added into this glass, right? And then we have put here what we have done, there is one cut end of plant, right? Then after some time what will happen, this color water move into the stem of the plant. क्लियर? आपके पास ग्लास था, पानी था, उसके अंदर कलर वाटर आपने मिक्स किया है, राइट? कलर डाला है और कलर वाटर हो गया है. थोड़ी देर के बाद आप प्लांट डालने के बाद आप क्या देखोगे? दैट देयर इज मूवमेंट ऑफ कलर इनटू द स्टेम, ओके? थोड़े और ज़्यादा देर के बाद आप क्या देखेंगे? दैट द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर इज़ अप टू लीफ, क्लियर? कलर वाटर अप टू लीफ. सो हियर our observation is the color rises in the stem. If this is kept for long period, the color appears in the vein of leaf also, right? So here is the plant, the same plant, right? And here what color is observed in the open end of stem, right? Then next is about the function of a stem. What the function stem is performing? Function of a stem is to move upward movement of water, and at the same time the water and minerals go to leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem. So function of a stem is to conduct water as well as nutrients. Understood? So it's very easy. By the activity you can judge, right? Then next is assignment number 1. Assignment number 1 you have already completed, question number 2 and 1. Then assignment number 2, here it is. Again 2 questions we have already completed. अगर आपने complete नहीं किया है, then write copy from here and then complete it. And then for today's you have assignment number 3. These 2 questions are taken from your textbook. Science textbook, page number 64, question number 3rd and 4th. Do it. And there is one more task, complete this table also, 7.1. right? What you have to do, you have to write here 3 more examples, then fill up about their height information, then information about their stem, and then where branches are coming, and then to which category they belong. Okay, तो आपके पास आज के लिए कितने क्वेश्चंस हो गए? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd and 4th, and then table 7.1. So this is all about today's lesson. Thank you.